Welcome to Furnace Repair, Cedar Mill, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're searching for dependable HVAC contractors in your local area, you need to look at none other than Right Now Heating and Cooling. We provide services for residential and commercial buildings. We have more than 25 years expertise in the HVAC business and are able to handle the most challenging HVAC problems. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are extremely skilled in every aspect of the heating and cooling industry. They provide outstanding service, with exceptional results, outstanding customer service, and affordable prices. Every member of our staff takes great pride in keeping up to date in all codes and cutting-edge technology to ensure your family and your home safe. We are passionate about doing what we do, and it is reflected in the quality of the work that we perform on every project regardless of size or complexity. From small repairs to cooling and heating to huge-scale central heating and cooling system installations, our HVAC contractors are able to help. We only employ factory-trained technicians. They're the best in the business, which means the work you do will be done correctly the first time. Right Now Heating and Cooling hopes to keep our relationship regardless of when the new equipment is installed. Our ongoing services will keep your system running at its maximum efficiency without causing disruptions. We offer a variety of services such as furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, and many more services. Our policy has always been straightforward, and that is to offer a fair price by using highly skilled HVAC technicians that do not charge extra charges, and backed with an unconditional guarantee of the work done. Our HVAC technicians are ready to assist you with any heating or cooling repair or installation service to your home or business. We offer several pricing options, and we guarantee our work. Emergency and weekend service as in warranties for all parts and labor. Visit our website or contact us at 503-300-6124.